wondered how to extract information such as geolocation from an image? Today we'll explore how you can extract valuable information from images using various OSINT tools and the way you can safeguard your digital footprint. So, grab your detective hats and let's get started. Each image contains hidden information like the camera name and model, date and time the photo was taken, and even GPS coordinates. The hidden information is called metadata and embedded within the image. Depending on the method you gain access to the image, different OSINT techniques could be used. If the image is sent to you by email or messaging applications, you can get the geolocation information of the image from its metadata. If you collect the image from social media, some of this metadata might be removed. Therefore, you can do reverse engineering to collect valuable information about the image. You can learn reverse image search in our previous OSINT video. In this video, I'll show you how to check image metadata in two methods. First method is using command line tool in your machine. You can use exif tool on Linux, Windows, or macOS and exif2 on Linux to read image metadata. I prefer this method as it's using an on-prem tool. So, for Linux operating system, you can install exiftool by the command sudo apt install libimage-exiftool-perl. And you can install exif2 on Linux with the similar sudo apt install exif2. To get an image metadata including GPS information, use in terminal exif2-p a and your image or pass to your image. You can see it will print all information metadata including the camera, the date and time, and GPS coordination. You also could use exiftool and pass to your image. It will print all image metadata in the terminal, including camera, date, and GPS coordination. If you want to safeguard your digital footprint, you can remove image metadata with this command before sharing it with others. If you use exiftool, use the command exiftool-all equal and your image. And if you want to use exif2, pass rm attribute and the image. Now let's check image metadata again. As you see, the output has been changed, meaning important metadata or the image footprint has been removed. Let's try it for Windows. For Windows and macOS, you can download exiftool from exiftool.org. The link is in the video description. Now let's demonstrate in Windows. Download exiftool file in download folder, then open CMD and go to the download folder or any place you have downloaded the file. You can write the command exiftool.exe and the image name. It will print metadata of a given image. To remove the digital footprint from the image on Windows machine, arrow up, use the previous command and add the attribute -all equal and then the name of the image, similar to the previous command. Now check the image metadata again. Second method is using online tool. If you prefer tools with user interface, you can go to gimple.com website. Upload the image and see the image metadata in the browsers. You can also pass the image URL into the website. This website is an online EXIF tool. You get the metadata in the browser. As you can see, the information is the same as the first method. It's fascinating how image can hold so much more than meets the eyes, isn't it? Always respect privacy and adhere to ethical guidelines when conducting investigations. Respect the boundaries of others and use OSINT techniques responsibly. Also, if you have any questions, let us know in the comment. And if there are other OSINT topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.